Hi guys, I'm Zena. I'm the editorial director here at Hum.
And I'm Sarah, your education director.
And today we are revealing our September box theme. And it's a very beautiful box this month. I gotta say, it's covered in roses. We'll get to why. For a little context, if you're unfamiliar with Hum, what you do is you go online, you take a 3-minute quiz, you tell us all about your diet, your lifestyle, what you're worried about with your skin and beauty, and then one of our lovely RDs goes through your results and gives you recommendations, which you can then get delivered every month. And we change up the theme of the box that it comes in just to help keep things...
Keep it spicy.
Yeah, keep it spicy, keep it feeling new, so you just, are a little bit encouraged to stay with your routine.
And
So,
the cool thing, too, about the quiz is that it links you up with your own dietitian, so you can ask any questions that you have. So if you get some supplements and you want to know, are those the best ones to take? If you have additional questions, you can email them, and they will get back to you and let you know any questions that you have.
which is so nice because honestly, sometimes it's so helpful to have someone besides your doctor's office to go to with your health questions, because I don't know if you've ever tried that, but it takes 3 days to get a hold of someone, and then it's usually not the answer you were looking for.
Yes.
So yeah, access to registered dietitian is huge, and love that you get that with us. Okay, so inside of our box, dun, 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 we have some components here, our little inserts. The theme is coming up roses, and we're celebrating our newest product, which is Collagen Pop, which is a really great little effervescent tablet. It has premium marine collagen peptides for your skin. Do you want to tell us a little bit about what collagen does for you?
Yeah, so in your box, you're going to get a little sample of Collagen Pop, so you can give it a try. I'm going to dissolve it and get it ready for Zena while I talk about what collagen does, so she can get this going. And you can watch how beautiful it is when it dissolves in the water. But as Zena was saying, first let me show you. It has a little hummingbird on it. I don't know if you can see it.
So cute.
And then we're just gonna go boop, boop. And you can see it's fizzies.
Which is nice. You don't have
It's
to
fizzies.
stir it. I feel like there's some collagen things where you gotta mix it in with your matcha or your coffee, which is good, but this is so good for on the go. If you're on a plane and you just want to jazz up your water, you can just pop it in and it'll take care of itself here.
So in your box, you're gonna get a little education card on collagen, but essentially what it is it's marine collagen, like Zena said, type 1. It helps your skin. It also has vitamin C, which is really important. That's the precursor to making collagen in your body. And what collagen does is it helps increase elasticity and firmness of your skin. And that's really important. As we get older, sometimes that can decline. And we wanna make sure that that is staying strong and that we have really beautiful, firm, not wrinkly looking skin. That's what we're all after, and collagen can help support that along with the vitamin C. So that's what we have here in this easy to drink, on the go, delicious, effervescent.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Okay, common question that I think we hear. Is this vegan? Or is our collagen vegan, and can you address vegan collagen as a question?
That does come up a lot. So is there such a thing as vegan collagen? Right now, there is no such thing as vegan collagen. You might see vegan collagen boosters, which will have things like vitamin C, like I talked about, and things that can help support collagen production. But there's no vegan collagen. This one's derived from marine sources. We have another one, Collagen Love, that comes from bovine, but there's no non-animal based collagen.
No such thing as animal. Yeah.
Yeah.
No
All collagen is from an animal.
Noted. So our Collagen Pop is rose and lemon flavored. I feel like that's a nice thing to touch on. Personally, I love rose, and I think it's so great to have. I want it all in on my beauty routine. I want the rose toner.
Yes,
I want
that.
I want rose scented things. I love rose. I love rose macaroons. So for me, I'm all about the rose flavor of this. But does rose have any beauty or health benefits that we should know about?
Yeah, so actually I found a study recently that looks at the HPA axis. So in our bodies, we have a system in which our body responds to stress. So it's our hypothalamus, pituitary gland, and adrenal glands. So those three work together to respond to perceived stress. And the study actually found that those people that smelled the roses, stopped to smell them, or smelled the collagen pop, basically had a decreased response in stress. So their body was able to manage stress a little bit more efficiently.
That is so cool.
I love science.
I love science. And how was stop and smell the roses a thing before?
I don't know, if you look back in like cultural sayings,
people just knew that intuitively.
There's intuitive health cues if you go back and you pay attention, especially when you look at cultures and what they've done historically to like heal themselves. So, you know, like being Jewish and having chicken soup, that's a really good source of collagen, which can also help with your immune system and things like that. So it's like, it's just, I don't know, there's a lot of intuitive health happening.
Yeah, it all makes sense. We're just like, science is catching up with what we've already known. So fascinating. Inside of our pamphlet, we have a few different ways to take collagen pop. I think it's always fun to play with our supplements and the powders and things. So we have 3 different ways that you can take it. On the rocks, that's just with some cold water and ice. It makes it taste like a little like mocktail almost. You can freeze it into popsicle molds if you want to have pretty and pink little collagen popsicles. Or you can freeze it in ice cubes and blend it and make yourself a frosé without the hangover the next day. So,
and we also made that granita.
Yeah, we have a recipe for collagen pop granita, which we will link somewhere on the screen. Okay, so our tablet has dissolved. It takes just a few minutes. I'm gonna do a little taste test here.
Look at that pretty color. I love that color.
It's so pretty, yeah. I really, really like the rose flavor a lot.
It's really good.
And the lemon gives it just like a little bit of brightness. It tastes like how I want my skin to feel.
I don't always love drinking water. I find it kind of boring. So I'll pop one of these in my big water bottle and it just encourages me to drink more water, which is a win.
Yeah, this is nice because you also literally hydrate your skin as you're giving it collagen and lots of beauty benefits. So that is our collagen pop, guys. You're gonna get a sample with it if you're a Hum subscriber. We'll put the link below if you want to take the quiz and get started with us. Until next time, comment below with anything you want to see. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and we will see you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.